Stagnant demand and its global impact. Hey there, folks. Today, we are diving deep into the fascinating world of economics, exploring the eerie echoes of the past, and unraveling the secrets of stagnant demand during the Great Depression. Picture this, the 1930s, a time of economic turmoil, a time when demand hit the brakes, and the world was plunged into what would become one of the most devastating economic downturns in history. Now, let's crunch some numbers, shall we? During the Great Depression, the United States saw its GDP drop by a staggering 30%, and unemployment skyrocketed to a jaw-dropping 25%. Those numbers aren't just figures on a chart, they represent the stories of families struggling to make ends meet, businesses shutting down, and dreams shattered. But wait, there's more. The impact didn't stop at America's borders. Countries around the globe felt the domino effect. Take Germany, for instance. The country's economy was already suffering due to reparations from World War I, and the Great Depression delivered a knockout punch. Unemployment reached a stunning 30%, leaving millions in despair. It wasn't just Europe, even down in Latin America, economies were battered, and demand for their exports dropped, sending ripples across continents. So, why is reviving demand such a big deal? Well, imagine demand as the beating heart of an economy. When people stop buying goods and services, businesses suffer. They produce less, which leads to job cuts, and that, my friends, is the recipe for an economic disaster. You see, demand isn't just about shopping, it's about fueling the economic engine that keeps things running smoothly. Now, fast forward to today. While we might not be reliving the Great Depression, the lessons from history are as relevant as ever. Reviving demand isn't just a matter of boosting sales, it's about ensuring stability. Think about it, when people have jobs and money to spend, they contribute to the economy, helping it grow. And a growing economy means better living standards, more opportunities, and a brighter future. But how do we do it? Well, that's the million-dollar question. Policies that put money in people's pockets, like cutting taxes or increasing government spending, can help kickstart demand. Investing in education, technology, and innovation can lead to job creation and sustainable growth. It's like watering a plant, you give it the right conditions, and it thrives. So, there you have it, folks. Stagnant demand during the Great Depression wasn't just a blip in history, it was a powerful lesson on the importance of keeping that economic engine humming. From the devastation of the past, we've learned that demand isn't just a number on a chart, it's the heartbeat of our economies. So let's remember those lessons, take care of our demand, and ensure a future that's vibrant, resilient, and also prosperous. Until next time, keep those economic engines revving. Thanks for watching. Follow more such videos.